Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Meta Business Suite. I'll be showing this on desktop. Navigate to business.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the Meta Business Suite dashboard with your connected Facebook pages and Instagram accounts. Click on Planner in the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a calendar view with a blue Create Post button in the top right corner. Click the Create Post button. The Post Composer window will appear with platform selection options at the top. Select which platforms you want to post to by checking the boxes for Facebook and Instagram under Post to. You can choose one or both. If you have multiple pages or accounts, make sure you select the correct ones. Type your post caption in the text box. To add photos or videos, click the Add Photo Video or Add Media button. Your media will display as thumbnails in the Composer. Look for the blue Publish button at the bottom of the Composer window. Click the small drop-down arrow right next to it. A menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, click Schedule. A calendar will pop up. Select the date you want your post to go live and set the time. You'll see Meta's active time suggestions. These are recommended time slots based on your account's past performance. You can click them to autofill the time. Double-check whether it's AM or PM. Click the blue Schedule button to finalize. Your post will now appear in your content calendar. Here's what to remember. You can view all your scheduled posts in the Planner section and edit them anytime by clicking on the post and selecting Edit. If you need to delete a scheduled post, click on it, select the three dots in the top right corner, then click Delete Post. You can schedule posts up to 75 days in advance, so plan ahead if you're working on a longer campaign. Thanks for watching.